Okay friends, it's time to get started on replacing our rear tail lamp. To do that, of course, you're going to want to have the tailgate open. After that, you're going to find two push pins. There's one right here, one right there. Grab a forky tool or a screwdriver. You want to grab the center aspect of this and lift it up and out and away from the outer portion. There's that. Now we can grab the outer portion. We'll set these aside, do the same to this one. There we are. Now we can grab onto this tail lamp. We're just going to kind of give it a little bit of a wiggle here. There's going to be some push clips that go in along the side right here, so you want to either carefully get in there with your fingers and try to draw it away, or even use a plastic trim tool if you have to. Once you have it separated, remove all of your wiring harnesses. As you remove them, inspect those bulbs. If it looks like they have to be replaced, now's the time to do it. Remove your red locking tab and then squeeze this tab right here. We can remove this. Inspect that. If you see any funny colors, it's corrosion. Set that aside. Grab this. Inspect that bulb. Grab this one. Twist it. Inspect it. There we are, friends. All right, so my new lamp assembly comes with the new harnesses. So I'm just going to pop this locking tab. There we are. Grab onto this little tab right here, give it a little squeeze, separate these. Of course, you're going to want to inspect it like I said before. That one's unlocked. Squeeze this tab. Okay, friends, now it's time to install our brand new tail lamp. We're just going to come right to the back here. If, of course, you wanted to replace your bulbs, you can do that easily. Just go ahead and slide them right in there. Now we'll start connecting these in. Start with this one, push it in, listen for a click. Make sure you press in that locking tab so it can't come apart on you. The next one we're going to do is for the directional. That's the lighter color connector here. Slide it into position. Give it a nice click. If your locking tab came out, you just go ahead and slide it right back in there. Make sure it's locked. This one. Lock it in. Now we're going to bring this over and put it into the vehicle. You're going to find your little pitons on the lamp assembly itself. They need to fit into their corresponding holes right along here. So I'm just going to carefully line it up. Once it seems as though it's lined up, I'm going to give it a light bonk, being careful not to damage the lens in any way. Now we can use our push clips. Slide that in there. Push in the center to lock it in. Do the same to the other one. Okay, let's test those lights. We've got our running lights, brake lights, reverse light, and directional. Perfect.